Hello everyone, welcome back to Life Talks by AJ. In today's video, we will make an amazing hair gel that will do wonders to your hair. We will make flaxseed hair gel today. The making of this gel requires just two ingredients, that is flax seeds and water, and of course a little bit of patience. I don't add any chemicals or preservatives to my preparations, so I make them in small batches. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons of flax seeds for 2 cups of water. Now we will let this mixture boil until the water turns into a slight gel-like consistency. This should take roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. While this is boiling, let me explain the wonders that flax seeds can do to your hair. Flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which nourish the hair follicles, strengthens the hair shaft, prevents breakage and promote overall hair growth. Flax seeds contain lignans which are antioxidants that help improve the shine and luster of the hair. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E which act as a natural moisturizer and conditioner for the hair. Flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe scalp conditions like dandruff, eczema and psoriasis. Flax seeds are a good source of essential nutrients like vitamin B1, B2 and B6, magnesium, zinc and selenium. These nutrients are vital for the overall health of our hair. Okay, now that it has boiled well, let's check the consistency of the gel. Perfect. It should leave the spoon like a string. This is the right time to put off the flame and strain the gel. If we boil it beyond this point, the gel will thicken further and separating the seeds out of the gel will be a Herculean task. Use a strainer or a muslin cloth to strain the gel out while it is still hot. If you let it cool, again the gel will thicken and straining it out will be difficult. Here, the gel is ready. To use, massage it well on the scalp and run it down through the entire length of the hair. Keep it on for an hour or so and wash it off with normal water. Hope you found the information helpful. If you found the video useful, please consider to like and share it and subscribe to my channel. Until we see next time, happy living guys.